Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting in the app. Open Google Maps and sign in so your history and preferences are available. Next, tap your profile icon, choose Offline Maps, then select your own map. You'll draw the area you need. Only download the sections you'll actually drive through to save storage and avoid long waits. Once done, confirm the file size and tap Download. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have adequate battery or a charger plugged in before hitting the road. With the offline map saved, enter your destination while you still have a connection so Google caches routing options and traffic snapshots. Once the route is planned, Maps will use downloaded data for turn-by-turn navigation. Make sure the app shows the offline map name. Now enable your device's GPS and set transport mode to driving. GPS provides real-time positioning even offline. If you want lane guidance, verify the app displays it. Some features rely on initial online data, so plan accordingly. Start driving and rely on GPS for positioning. Offline maps provide directions without mobile data, but live traffic and reroutes may be limited. If the route fails or recalculation stalls, pause navigation, toggle airplane mode, or restart the Maps app to force a reload from your saved map. Make sure offline maps aren't expired. Refresh them periodically, especially before long trips. One key troubleshooting tip: if position drifts, toggle device location off and on to require a satellite fix and restore accurate guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.